In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sources in Gemini. If you want trustworthy answers, the most important move is to explicitly tell Gemini to provide sources and citations. Think of it like giving clear instructions to a helpful assistant. The clearer you are about the format you want, the better the results you'll see. Start by stating in your prompt that you want sources with URLs. Simple, direct language works best. For example, you can say, "Please include credible source URLs for every claim you make." This sets the expectation that the answer should not only explain the topic, but also show where the information came from. You can also guide the format, if you prefer to review links at the end of the response. Try, answer and list all sources used with clickable links. This helps keep the explanation clean while still giving you an easy way to check the references. And when you want more complete details, ask for them explicitly. Cite your sources with URLs or publication details. That phrase signals you want things like the title, publisher, and date, not just a bare link. A helpful tip is to put the sourcing instruction at the very beginning of your prompt so it doesn't get missed. Be specific about what credible means for your use case: news organizations, academic journals, government sites, or official documentation. You can also ask for sources to be listed after each claim, or grouped at the end under a clear Sources section. If you need a particular format, such as including the article title before the URL, say so. The more you define the structure, URLs, titles, publication details, and clickable links where supported, the higher the chance Gemini will present sources in a way that's easy to verify. Keep in mind that sometimes links may be paywalled, archived, or unavailable. It's okay to ask Gemini to note when a direct URL isn't available and to provide the publication details instead. After you receive the response, take a moment to open a few links and confirm they match the claims. That final check helps you spot outdated or low-quality sources. To recap, the core approach is straightforward. Ask Gemini to provide sources and citations. Use clear language that specifies URLs and publication details, and, when needed, guide the format so the links are easy to review. With these prompts and a quick verification step, you'll consistently get answers you can trust and trace back to credible references.